Here is a quick demonstration of how using VoxAid commands compare to other search methods within your MindManager mind maps. This company mind map contains the names of staff members and their department. Here are 3 ways to find the staff member, Jane Green. By keyboard. It takes 17 key presses. Not great for musculoskeletal issues, such as RSI or carpal tunnel syndrome. By dragging alone. Requires 4 voice commands, providing you know the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl F. Jane Green. Click Find Next. Click Close. Or by using VoxAid's powerful Find command. Edit the topic, Jane Green. VoxAid the Dragon Professional add-on includes advanced voice commands that will increase your productivity, reduce your cognitive load and allows you to do so much more by voice.